Welcome back to this channel. If you are new to this, hit the subscription button to get the latest updates. Hi guys, I am Nayas from Technico MDN. In this video, we'll be learning what is GitHub, why to have a GitHub account, how to create an account, how to use it, and what is repository and how to upload the repositories in your account. First, we will discuss what is GitHub. GitHub is a code hosting service. GitHub provides a web-based graphical interface, and it also provides access control and several collaboration features such as wikis and basic task management tools for every project. Basically, GitHub is a code hosting platform for version control and collaboration. It lets you and other workers to work together on the same project, or you can alone create a single project. Next, why to have a GitHub account? GitHub is a website for developers and programmers to collaboratively work on code. Or you can store any number of codes that you want in the GitHub repository that we will be discussing in the next. Here, it allows for seamless collaborations without compromising the integrity of the original project. The projects on GitHub are examples for open source softwares. GitHub is so popular that the community is really what fuels it. There are millions of programmers and hobbyists and coders that download, review, and evaluate each other's work and codes. GitHub is a repository hosting service, or you can call it as a code open source service. Why should you have an account? You should have an account because it is an open source media where you can upload your done projects and codes so that the whole entire internet search engine can show up your code to everyone. And who should have this account? Anyone can have this account so that to get the best benefits of the open source softwares. Now let us learn how to create a GitHub account. Simply go to Google Chrome and just type GitHub sign in, and you will enter to this page. You have to select the first link in this page, that is sign in to GitHub. And this page will open. This is the official page of GitHub. Here you can see that github.com/login. If you don't have account, since we are creating a new account, you have to just click on create an account. Now in this page, you have to enter your username, check the username that is available or not. Here TechMDN is available. Next, enter the email address. Next, enter the password. Then verify the puzzle. Our account is verified, and just click on create account, and then your account will be created. Here is my old account. Here you can see here name will be displayed and this comment tag, and then here you can edit your profile and you can add your address or location, and if you have a personal website you can add a personal website. And here you can see the followers and followings, and here are the so many repositories that I have uploaded in my GitHub account. So in the next video we will learn what are repositories and how to upload them. Here you can check it out. There are so many options and so many features available here. And here you can see that you can view your profile, repositories, projects, tasks, guests, and here you can upgrade and feature preview and help, settings, sign out. There are many options available here. Next, why to use GitHub? Why to use it? Here is the answer. GitHub is an open source repository hosting service or code hosting service, sort of like a cloud for code. It hosts your source code projects in a variety of different programming languages and keeps track of the various changes made to each and every iterations. Other GitHub users can review your code and propose changes if they see any possible things they can do. And now, what should be on GitHub? That is, just think GitHub is a file storage or a collaborative workspace or professional network. It's perfectly fine to put any files up there, but your repos should have readme.md files. What is that file? I will let you know. To tell others about the scope and context, the repository must have readme.md files. Next, GitHub hosts your source code projects in a variety of different programming languages, and it also detects what language you are posting in the GitHub. So the Git implies the version control system, a tool which allows developers to keep track of the constant revision of their code. Next, what is a repository? It is a directory or storage space where your projects can live or where your projects can be saved. Sometimes GitHub users shorten this to repo. It can be local to a folder on your computer, or it can be a storage space on GitHub or another online host. You can keep code files, text files, image files, and your name edits inside a repository. A directory. What is a directory? It stores your coded things, your files, images, whatever the things it is stored, that is called as a directory. Next, the storage. It is a online storage for your codes, projects, and many other things that you can store in the server. Next, it is also known as repo, as I said. In short, repository is a data storage medium or a code storage medium or a program storage medium where you can store n number of codes, n number of projects, and you can create n number of repositories in your GitHub account. The main advantage is if you post a repository, it will be stored in the GitHub account, a GitHub server, so that if you want to access that code in future, in any moment, you can get the code and you can reuse it. Just assume you are developing on software and you thought the idea that you developed so long years that could be useful, so that you can take the code from your GitHub account and use wherever you want. That's what the specialty of the repository of the GitHub. Now let us see how to upload the repositories. Here I have kept open my account. You can just go to repositories, click on new, enter the repository name, enter the description, make sure it is at public, select this add a readme file and create repository. So our repository is created. Here you can see that readme.md file is created. As I mentioned in the previous slide that our repository must include this readme.md file. Now let us know how to add a file to this repository. You can just click here, upload files, and you will be redirected to this page. Here you have to just click on choose your file. You can open on some folder Here you can see the extensions are, this is C++, this is Python, and this is Java. Let me show you all the three types of files: C++, Python, and a Java file, and also a text. When I click on open, here you can see that uploading one of four files. So our four files are updated. If you want to add some comments, here you can add some comments. Next, let us click on commit changes. So here all our files are updated. Here you can see this GitHub has automatically detected what languages we have used in these files: Java, Python, and C++, and also one text. Here if you want to edit this, you can just click on this and you can edit this one. When we click on preview changes, here you can see it has been updated. Just update here, commit changes. So it has been updated. Here you can see one contributor. Here you can view that username. Next, let us come back. Now if you want to view the file, you can just click on it and see the code is ready to view. Here you can just copy and paste in some other codes that you will be used in future. If you want to open this file in GitHub desktop, you can click here. If you want to edit this file, you can just click here. Let us see how to edit this file. So this is the edit window. Here you can see that you can type. Like this, we can type. Since we have done no changes, let us make some changes. So this is highlighted. We can just save it by clicking on commit changes. So it has been updated. You can see here. So this is how we upload the repositories. Here, if you want to share this, you can just copy the path and paste it in some example. We can post it in the mail. Like this, we can just post it. So we are back to this. Here you can see that a new repository has been created, that is Technico MDN, that we have just created. Now let us see our profile. Here you can see it is created, and here you can see that 5 contributions, as we uploaded 4 files with one readme.md file. So 5 files have been updated. So here we can see how many contributions are contributed. So this is how a repository works and how we upload the repository. So we have came to the end of this video. Here is a brief summary. First one, it is the best social media profile. As we know, Instagram and Facebook, where we upload our photos and articles, videos, such things to get likes and comments and shares. And also publicity. Here in this GitHub, it is also a social platform where you can post codes, projects and your programs and even softwares, and also you can host the websites for free and showcase your skills all over the internet. Next, it is an open source website. That it is very easy to use, user friendly, and you can create account very easily, and it is absolutely free and easy to use. And reuse of code. That is, when you upload a repository, you can reuse the code whenever you want. Just think you have uploaded one repository, and in future when you will be a programmer, you can get back to the GitHub account and get access to the pre-coded thing, and you can make use of it. Next, showcase your skills. Next, improve yourself by following other coders. You will find n number of programmers, hackers, programmers, softwares, website developers, WordPress developers, and many other type of developers like machine learning, data scientists, Python developers, Java developers, all are available on GitHub, and even many of the companies use GitHub accounts to make the projects get done soon. Next, it's the best way to store your code safely and securely over the internet. So this is the end of the video. So thank you guys. Meet you all in the next video. Keep connected, subscribe to my channel for the latest updates.